Happy morning, dear children. Welcome back to Science Online class. Children, hope you all are doing good. In today's class, we are going to start a new lesson. Okay, then do you all remember what we learned in our last class? Children, in our last class, we learned about day, night, and the sun. And we learned the sun is a huge ball of fire and it gives us heat and light. Children, what causes day and night? The rotation of the earth causes day and night. When the sun rises in the east, it is morning. And when it sets, it becomes dark. Then after sunset, what we can see in the sky, children? Yes, we can see the moon and stars in the sky. The stars and the moon light up the sky at night. Children, the sky looks beautiful at night, isn't it? Yes, we can see the twinkling stars and brightening moon in the sky. Then you know what are they like really? Let's learn in detail. Moon. The moon is more like the earth than like the sun. We know the earth has air, water and land. Like that, there is rocks, sand, mountains and flat land in the moon. But it does not have air or water. That's why nobody can live in moon. Like sun, the moon is round in shape. But moon's shape changes every day. Have you noticed, children? On a full moon day, that is Paurnami, the moon is full circle and it changes its shape till new moon day, that is Amavasya. We can't see the moon on the new moon day. Children, which is bigger, the sun, earth or moon? Yes, the sun is bigger. It is much bigger than earth, but it is far away from the earth. And the moon is much smaller than the earth. Then why does the moon seem so big, children? Because it is much closer to us than the sun. The sun is far away from the earth, but the moon is closer to the earth. Of all the bright things in the sky, the moon is closest to the earth. Children, the moon has no light. Then how it shines, children? It shines because the light of the sun falls on it. In the same way, the earth shines in the light of the sun. Children, in this picture you can see the images of the earth. The earth looks like a shining ball from the moon. Okay, then it shines in the light of the sun. The stars. Stars are fiery balls like the sun. The sun is also a star. Children, many stars are much bigger and hotter than the sun. Then why does the sun seems larger, children? Because it is much closer to us. The stars are very far away from the earth. When compared to the stars, the sun is much closer to the earth. Okay, the stars do not give warmth or light because they are very far away. Okay, some stars are much bigger and hotter than the sun, but they are very far away from the earth. So, the stars do not give us warmth or light. Children, if you look at the sky and observe, we can see some stars arranged in different shapes and they will make designs in the sky. Children, why can't we see the stars in the morning? Is it vanished from the sky? Stars do not really vanish. We cannot see the stars in the morning because sunlight is brighter than starlight. Children, let's discuss the true or false in this lesson. Write W for wrong and C for correct. First one, the sun is much bigger than the stars. Is it true, children? It is wrong. Many stars are much bigger and hotter than the sun. So, it is wrong. So, you want to write W. Second, the moon is much smaller than the earth. Is it correct, children? Yes, the moon is much smaller than the earth, but it is closer to the earth. That's why the moon seems big. Then, third one, the moon is a fiery ball. Is it correct? No, it is wrong. Fourth one, stars vanish in the morning because the earth turns. Is it true? No, it is wrong. The stars do not really vanish. We cannot see them because sunlight is brighter than starlight. Then fifth one, the moon has rocks and mountains. Is it correct? Yes. So you want to write C. Children, what we learned in this lesson? Yes, we learned about moon and stars. Children, does the moon have air and water? No, it does not have air or water. It has rocks, sand, mountains and flat land. And which is bigger, children, and which is closer to us, the sun or moon? The sun is very much bigger than the earth. Okay, and which is closer to the earth, children? The moon is closer to the earth. Then we learned about stars. Stars are fiery balls like the sun. Is the sun a star, children? Yes, the sun is a star. Children, why can't we see the stars in the morning? We cannot see them because sunlight is brighter than starlight. Children, hope you all understood about the lesson, the night sky. Then write your classwork very neatly and do your assignments. Thank you.